in order to reduce the discomfort of users when wearing it. The Vision Pro and the battery are designed to be separated. The battery is similar to a portable power bank. It can support an output of 13 volts 6 amp and the output power is 78 watts. The Apple Vision Pro battery is made out of smooth machined aluminum and comes with a woven power cable. The Apple logo is embossed in the middle. From left to right there is a USB-C port, a small hole for removing the connector, a connector for Vision Pro and an indicator light to show the charging status. The size of it is about 144 by 69 by 20 millimeters. The cable is made with a woven design. The length of it is about 120 centimeters. There is a positioning mark on the plug. There are communication terminals inside the plug. That's how big it is in the hand. The weight is about 354 grams. Next, let's start to take it apart to see its internal components and structure. First, pry open the case along the gap. The cover is fixed with tape. 2 pieces of conductive cloth are pasted on the inside of the cover at positions corresponding to the internal metal plate for grounding. The battery is glued inside the case, and the metal plate is fixed inside the case with screws. The connector is fixed inside the case by screws. The metal plate is also fixed inside the case with screws. Unscrew the screws. And opening the metal plate. There is a battery protection PCB on the back of the metal plate. The battery protection PCB is connected to the PCBA module via a cable. Batteries are attached to both sides of the metal plate, and another battery is attached to the inside of the case. Both ends of the cable are fixed by screws. The USB-C port and output port are both on the PCBA module. The PCBA module is fixed to the case with screws. Disconnect the battery pack from the PCBA module and take the battery pack out of the case. The Apple logo is printed on the cable. The cable is welded to the battery lugs. Disassemble the 3 batteries and the battery protection PCB. The battery pack is from Dese. The nominal voltage is 11.34 volts. The charging limit voltage is 12.675 volts. The rated capacity is 3166 mAh, and the rated energy is 35.9 Wh. The battery is from ATL. It has a rated energy of 15.36 Wh, a rated capacity of 3969 mAh, and a rated voltage of 3.87 volts. The thermal protector in series with the battery is from the BOURNS AC series for overheating protection. The other thermal protector model is the same. The battery protection PCB is glued to the metal plate. The thermistor used to detect battery temperature is sealed with glue for protection. The components on the protection PCB are reinforced with potting compound. The battery protection chip is from Texas Instruments. This is a thermistor. The fuse marked with 22AFRC3 is used for overcurrent protection and battery overcharge protection. There are mylar sheets pasted inside the case for insulation. The PCBA module and connector are fixed in the case with screws. Unscrew the screws and take out the connector and PCBA module. The widened lightning plug has 12 pins. The USB-C socket is sealed with a rubber ring. There is a buffer pad at the position corresponding to the inductor. The USB-C socket is connected via cable and the socket has silver contacts. The widened lightning socket is reinforced with a metal case. There is an Apple logo on the cable. There are contacts inside the socket. The front of the PCBA module has two synchronous buck converters, a protocol chip, memory, and an MCU. The USB PD controller is from Texas Instruments. The synchronous buck converter on the left is from Texas Instruments and adopts the SBGA24 package. It supports an operating voltage range of 4 to 15 volts and a continuous output current of 6 amp. This is the buck inductor used with it. The MCU is from ST and adopts WLCSP100L package. It has an internal integrated ARM Cortex-M4 CPU and has multiple protection functions. This is an external clock crystal. The external memory is from GigaDevice and adopts USON-8 package. 1 MB. This chip is marked with NX2B0P. The TVS marked with 1HVH is from Texas Instruments and adopts 2x2 SON package. Its shutdown voltage is 22 volts and is used for transient overvoltage absorption. The ESD overvoltage protection chip is from Texas Instruments and adopts the SBGA16 package. It is used for short circuit protection between each pin of the USB-C and V bus and for ESD protection. The gyroscope chip marked with 4K ELP that detects direction is from Bosch. This chip marked with ERDP is from ADI. This chip is marked with Z5E3W. The power switch IC is from Onsemi and adopts WLCSP24 package. It has overvoltage protection and overcurrent protection functions. It is suitable for a voltage range of 4 to 22 volts. The filter capacitor is from Chemet. 27 microfarad 18 volts. The MOSFET used for output control is from Vishay and adopts Power PK1212-8 single package. Negative 20 volts 3 milliohm. This is the sampling resistor used to sense the current. The current detection chip is from Texas Instruments and adopts UQFN10 package. It supports a working voltage of 40 volts and a temperature range of -40 to 125 degrees Celsius. The synchronous buck converter is from Texas Instruments and adopts 2x2 WSON package. It has an input voltage range of 3 to 17 volts and an output current of 1 amp. It has short circuit protection and overheat protection functions. Next to it is the SMD power inductor. These are two LED indicator lights. There are two synchronous buck boost controllers, MOSFETs, inductors, and filter capacitors on the back of the PCBA module. The synchronous buck boost controller for battery charge and discharge management is from Renesas and adopts 4x4 TQFN package. It supports 1 to 4 lithium battery applications, supports 3.2 to 23.4 volts input voltage, and supports 2.4 to 18.304 volts output voltage. The MOSFET is from Vishay and adopts Power Pair 3x3 package. 30 volts. The other MOSFET is the same model as the previous one. This is an alloy inductor. 2.7 microhenry. The temperature sensor marked with TA is from Texas Instruments and adopts the SBGA4 package. It has I2C and SM bus ports. The tantalum capacitor for input filtering is from Chemet. 6.8 microfarad 35 volts. There are 7 pieces in parallel with a total capacity of 47.6 microfarad. The tantalum capacitor for output filtering is also from Chemet. 27 microfarad 18 volts. There are 12 pieces in total with a total capacity of 324 microfarad. Another synchronous buck boost controller is from Renesas and adopts 4x4 TQFN package. It supports an input voltage range of 3.8 to 23 volts and an output voltage of up to 21 volts. It has multiple protection functions. The MOSFET used for synchronous buck boost voltage conversion is from Vishay. The other MOSFET is of the same model. The temperature sensor on the right side of the MOSFET used to detect the internal temperature is from Texas Instruments. This alloy inductor is used for buck boost voltage conversion. 1.0 microhenry. Well, those are all components of the Apple Vision Pro battery. The Apple Vision Pro battery is made out of smooth machined aluminum and comes with a woven power cable. After taking it apart, we found the battery pack uses 3 cells. The PCBA module is equipped with 2 synchronous buck boost circuits, which are used for battery charging and buck boost output respectively. The internal components are all from international first-line brands. The internal arrangement is compact, saving space and effectively reducing the size. Its workmanship is fine and reliable. Okay, that's all for today's video. Please drop a like, leave your comments, and subscribe to us. See you next time. Bye.